नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम ज्ञान है और आप सुन रहे हैं आपका अपना यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश पाठशाला। दोस्तों, काफ़ी वक्त हो गया था, नया वीडियो नहीं बन पा रही थी। इसके लिए आई एम सो सॉरी। देयर वर फ्यू थिंग्स, or you can say there were few mishappenings in the family for which I was not able to make a new video. So anyhow, like, I'm back and I'll just make sure that in future, like, we will not be having so much डिले और यू कैन से गैप, बिकॉज बीच में काफ़ी लोगों के मैसेजेस भी आ रहे थे कि सर नई वीडियो कब आएगी और ऑफलाइन सेशंस कब स्टार्ट होंगे। सो वील गेट एवरीथिंग नाउ इंटैक्ट। हाउएवर वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड ऑफलाइन सेशंस और जल्दी ही हम अपना ऑनलाइन सेशंस भी लेकर आएंगे जिसमें हम ग्रुप डिस्कशन और पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट के प्रॉपर सेशंस कंडक्ट करवाएंगे। सो इसकी डेट में नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको या कमेंट बॉक्स में या फिर आप हमारे गूगल पे आप सर्च करेंगे हमारे इंग्लिश पाठशाला को। सो उस पर आप लेटेस्ट आपके जितने भी आपके मतलब कोर्सेज से रिलेटेड जितने भी अपडेट्स होंगे आपको उस पर मिलेंगे, या फिर हमारे फेसबुक पेज पे चले जाइए, आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे अपडेट। सो एनी हाउ, लेट्स बिगिन द टॉपिक एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट basic steps to crack an interview and interview preparation tips, means like किन किन बातों का हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए इंटरव्यू में जाने से पहले, एंड ऑल्सो हाउ टू प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ बिफोर सिटिंग in any kind of interview. So I'll just make sure that every time you don't have to look yourself that you are how should you prepare. Also make sure that whenever you are sitting for an interview for any kind of company, you should know about the company, what company you're going for, and also make sure that कंपनी के बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं तो ब्रीफली पता करें कि कंपनी का बैकग्राउंड कैसा है, हाउ गुड इज़ दैट, इज़ इट लाइक are the employees happy over there or not. So ये ऐसे basic tips हैं। और I'll just let you know, like, आज मैंने हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं, मैंने बहुत रिक्वेस्ट की है, उन्होंने बहुत ही अपना कीमती वक्त निकाला है। सो I'll have like Namrata Pandey. She has been a very good friend of mine and she has worked with different MNCs in Delhi NCR, and she was quality, she was in the quality team with me, and also she has worked as a trainer and different MNCs in Delhi NCR. So I'll be having her on the line. So I'm sure that you will find her the information given by her very accurate. And also, if you have any problem, if you have any questions after the session, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment box or also on the Facebook page, or even I'll share a WhatsApp number. You can straight away reach to us on that as well. So here she is. Namrata would be on the line next. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Namrata Pant. I have a total work experience of almost 10 years and I'm here to share with you my experiences with the interview, how I faced my interviews, and a few tips that you can also utilize to make your interview a successful one. So the first and the foremost thing that you need to do is you need to research for the company wherein you are going to give an interview. So you should know a little bit of history about the company, just in case the interviewers happen to ask you. The second thing that you can do is you can prepare for the most common kind of questions that interviewers usually ask. For example, just tell us about yourself, and if in case there is anything unique that is if there is something that makes you unique, just give us brief examples of that, or maybe what interests you, what motivates you, or what you're passionate about. And also there can be questions like, why are you leaving your job, and if in case there was any issue that you faced in the old organization due to which you are leaving the job. Is it the salary hike, or what attracts you. So basically they try to grill you in and out in order to see if you are a good fit for their company or not. In order to check if in case you are you'll stay with the company or not, they also ask you that where do you see yourself in 5 years. So questions like these show that what are your perspectives for growth. So these are some of the questions that
you
will
can
be
practice,
asked. These kind of questions and their answers before going for an interview, so that you are well prepared. Also make sure that you are studying the job description well, and the required skills and the experience that they need before. Ideally you should do this before applying, but even if in case you just check the major eligibility criteria and applied for it, you should still go ahead and check the job description and what they want, so that you can frame your answers accordingly. Also make sure that whenever you are giving a response to the interviewer, you just use the STAR technique. STAR technique is situation. S is for situation, T is for task, A for action, and R for result. By doing this, you will be able to give a whole like experience as to what kind of situation you faced, and what were the tasks that you did in order to resolve it, what were your actions, and what was the result of it. So you can give an example of any project that you have recently worked upon. That is something you can do. And also make sure that if you have any sibling or your friend, that you can just practice those questions. You can ask them to be an interviewer, and ask them to take an interview, keeping all these points in mind. You can write it down and hand it over to your sibling or maybe your friend, and ask them to repeat it, and you can prepare. That ways you will be you know that way you're getting stuck, and you can prepare it more. So that is something you can do. Apart from that, just make sure that if in case you say that you are good at something, you should have an example to prove that you are good at it. If you say that you are good in leading the team, so there should be examples, like you can say in your previous organization there was this issue, and in order to do that you took an initiative and worked towards it, and since everyone had a different ideology, but still you worked collectively with them, and you made it a great team, and you were the leader of the team, you leaded the team, and it was a success. So there should be examples before you go for an interview. Just prepare for these examples. And so these are some of the things that you should always keep a note of it. And just make sure that whenever you are applying for any, although we expect that this is the basic things that you always do, but make sure that you are formally dressed. If you are physically going there, then you should be formally dressed, and your attire speaks a lot. Before you even open your mouth, the first thing that interviewers see is your attire. So make sure that you are on notch, polished, and everything. So yeah, that's what the things that I would suggest you to do before giving an interview. Rest, knowledge of the topic for which you are giving an interview is a must. So yes, be prepared for it, but yeah, also prepare these small things. Thank you. Thanks for having me.